Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see circular sketch pattern option in SolidWorks 2019 or 2020. Now, let us first understand why we use circular sketch pattern option. If you have drawn any entity and if you want to pattern that entity around some center point or around some circle, then we have to use this circular sketch pattern option. Suppose I have drawn some hexagon, and if you want to create a circular pattern of this hexagon, then what we have to do is simply select this circular sketch pattern option. Okay, now you can see different possible options in this circular pattern option. Now here the first option that we have to use is entities to pattern. We have to select this entity, means we have to select all the 6 edges of this hexagon. Now, as you can see over here, I have selected the 6 edges. Now, most important second thing is the origin of this circular sketch pattern. Now, you can see over here this arrow. This arrow is pointing towards the origin. Means by default, this origin is the center point of my circular sketch pattern. Also, you can see over here, this is the point 1, which is origin. Okay, now if I don't want this origin as my circle point or center point of this circular pattern, then I can specify the coordinates of this my center point, okay, just by increasing distance, or I can specify the required distance over here. In this way, we can change the center point of my circular sketch pattern. Now over here, second option is number of instances. Now you can see over here 1 2 3 4. Now by default it will generate 4 instances, but we can increase the number of instances by ourselves. Okay, so in this way I have kept 12 instances. Now this 360-degree means all these 12 instances will be within 360-degree. If I don't want that in 360-degree, I can change that. Okay, I have now specified 270-degree, means from here to here it will be 270-degree, means from here to here 90, here to here 180, and then 90 again, so 270-degree. Okay, I can again specify this as 180-degree, then all the 12 instances will be fitted in 180-degree. Now here equal spacing means all the instances are equally spaced. Okay, and this dimension radius option means this is my center point and this is my end point of my circular sketch. So this dimension will be automatically inserted. Okay, so here this option is there, dimension radius. Also we can specify that also we can dimension the angular spacing between the entities. So if we dimension them, then the equal spacing option will be deselected, because if we specify the angular spacing, then equal spacing will not be maintained. Okay, so this is all about this option, and here this is basically the radius. Okay, from here to here. Okay, or we can say that radius of this circular sketch pattern. Okay, that is 268.04 mm. Now here one more important option is instances to skip. Okay, we have also seen this option in linear sketch pattern, but again we will see. Now first of all I will change this to 360-degree to have better view, and I will increase number of instances to 16. Okay, now here we will go to instances to skip. Now I select this instance, this instance, and this instance, and this instance. I don't want them. Okay, so I skip them. Okay, now in this way we can click OK. Now in this way we have generated circular sketch pattern. Okay, so in this way we can use this option to create a circular patterns. Okay, so that's all in this video tutorial. In our upcoming video tutorial, we will see this move entities, copy entities, rotate entities, scale entities, and stretch entities option in detail. That's all. Thank you.